Hi everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. I am Arpita Sharma, your educator, and today we are going to discuss in the India's special hero series who was Udupi Ramchandra Rao ji, India's satellite man, who he actually was, why Google created a doodle of Udupi Ramchandra Rao ji. Let us understand that. Now, this is a very interesting class. Personalities like Mr. Udupi Ramchandra Rao ji, these personalities are here to inspire you. You must have heard about personalities of ancient history, medieval history, of our freedom struggle. But the modern history, the current times, when you look at the personalities who are doing everything to make this planet a better place to live, to make our country a better country, a more developed country, right? These personalities inspire you to your very core. These personalities are here not to just inspire you, but also to let you find the motive why you are born on this planet. You are born on this planet with a purpose, you know that. How to find that purpose? By first detaching yourself from the materialistic things. By first detaching yourself from the tangles, from the muds of materialism. Then you explore yourself. Then you get an exposure of your own soul, your own passion, your own purpose. So if you want to know your purpose on this planet, if it is just smoking, drinking, eating, sleeping, and whiling away your time, that is not your purpose. Your purpose is to make this place a better place so that your future generations can breathe properly, can live joyfully, peacefully. Right? So here, cheers to Mr. Udupi Ramachandra Rao, who found his passion and put in all his efforts in order to make this planet, to make this country a better place to live. So let us understand about him. Now, before we march on to understand about Udupi Ramchandra Rao ji, here's a small announcement for all of you. As you are aware of UPSC CSE mega subscription offer, you know that this offer is valid till March 31st, 2021, wherein you are going to get guaranteed subscription till July 31st if you take 1 year plus subscription today before March 31st, 2021. Your subscription will go on for 1 year plus 4 more months till July 31st, 2022 or till prelims 2022, whichever is later यानी कि अगर जुलाई 31st के बाद प्रीलिम्स होता है तो प्रीलिम्स तक आपका सब्सक्रिप्शन वैलिड रहेगा. एक्सटेंडेड 1 year Unacademy subscription guarantee we are giving you. So I have given you the link in the description box. Make sure that you subscribe to Unacademy Plus today because new courses have been launched. Okay, so subscribe today and also do not forget to use code ARPITA10 to get 10% direct discount. ये कोड यूज करेंगे तो आपको डायरेक्टली 10% का डिस्काउंट मिलेगा आपके प्लस की सब्सक्रिप्शन के ऊपर. ठीक है? So on this note, let's start with our class. So we all know that Google celebrated 89th birthday of renowned Indian professor and scientist Udupi Ramchandra Rao, remembered by many as India's satellite man. The doodle features a sketch of Professor Rao with the background of the earth and the shooting stars, as you can see over here. Earth का background है पीछे से, ठीक है, shooting stars. इतना beautiful doodle बनाया है Google ने, ठीक है. So this was the doodle created by Google to mark the 89th birthday of Udupi Ramachandra Rao ji. See, if you do something good for the planet, for the people around you, for the society now, even when you die, then also people remember you. आप चाहते हो ना कि जब आप भी इस शरीर को छोड़कर जाओ तो लोग आपके अच्छाई, आपके अच्छे कर्मों की वजह से आपको याद रखें. राइट? तो यहाँ पर ये जो ऐसे पर्सनालिटीज के बारे में हम पढ़ते हैं ना, ये यही काम ऐसे काम करके गए हैं कि इनके ना होने के बावजूद भी हम इनके कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशंस और एफर्ट्स को आज भी सराहते हैं, आज भी याद रखते हैं. So Udupi Ramachandra Rao was an Indian space scientist and chairman of Indian Space Research Organization. He supervised the 1975 launch of India's first satellite Aryabhatta. Very important. देखो आप उदुपी जी न्यूज में है तो आर्यभट्टा के बारे में पढ़ना है. It is one of over 20 satellites he developed. Now it transformed much of rural India. How? By advancing communication and meteorological services. He developed the rocket technology also, like the PSLV. जिस PSLV के बारे में पढ़ते हो ना तुम, ये rocket technology किसने develop की थी? उदुपी जी ने. He was also the chairman of Governing Council of Physical Research Lab at Ahmedabad and Nehru Planetarium at Bengaluru. He was the Chancellor of Indian Institute of Space Science and Technology, which is at Thiruvananthapuram, and he was awarded Padma Bhushan by Government of India in 1976, Padma Vibhushan in 2017. तो इनको 2013 में वॉशिंगटन के जो सैटेलाइट हॉल ऑफ फेम है वहां भी इंडक्ट किया गया था, एंड ही बिकेम द फर्स्ट इंडियन टू बी इंडक्टेड in Washington's Satellite Hall of Fame. He was also to be inducted into International Astronautics Federation. He was also the first Indian again to achieve such feat. These are the people who make India proud. So let us understand some of the awards and honor that he received. We all know he got Padma Bhushan, he got Padma Vibhushan. He was also in the Satellite Hall of Fame in Washington. Also, he was celebrated at the ceremony organized by Society of Satellite Professionals International. Okay, and he was a part of IAF in May 2016. पहले इंडियन थे जिनको ये ऑनर मिला था. Also, another thing that we want to remember about him is Professor U.R. Rao was internationally renowned space scientist. ये space technology में contributions देते थे. ठीक है, ये बात आपको याद रखनी है. And he, under his guidance, the first Indian satellite Aryabhatta was also developed in 1975. That you have to remember. ये आपको बात याद रखनी है. ठीक है. So this was all about Udupi Ramachandra Rao, who was India's satellite man. I hope you enjoyed this class. Also, do not forget to take your subscription today because the batches are starting from 31st March 2021. So इससे पहले subscribe कर लो. I've given you the link also in the description box. Okay, go subscribe today. It's going to be a really beneficial offer for all of you.